Assalamualaikum students. I hope you are fine. So this is the second way, and you are using if you are using laptop or desktop PC. So simply, I suppose, for example, you have saved 3 pictures on your desktop. You have taken pictures, okay, and you saved 3 pictures here on desktop, and you if you want to make files in one PDF file. Okay, what you will do, simply, the first way is, first of all, I will make Microsoft Word file, and I will rename this file with name, subject, class, and section. Then, and what I will do, I will paste 3 pictures, select all of them, and I will drag them here in Microsoft Word file. This is the first way. Okay, page 1, page 2, and page 3. So these are the images have been saved. You can format them, right? So just leave the format. So suppose मैंने तीनों pictures जो हैं वो Microsoft Word की फाइल में पेस्ट कर दिए. So after that what I will do, step number 2 is फाइल के ऑप्शन में आऊँगा, save as करूँगा और desktop पे क्लिक करूँगा. I will write my name, Ahsaan underscore, subject with ICT underscore, class is like, what is the class 9 or 8 underscores का section. ठीक है, 8T और E कर लो, कुछ भी, whatever. ठीक है, so we will save this file. Again, the most important thing is save as type. You will click on save as type option, and you will click on PDF form. PDF file पे click करेंगे, PDF type पे, and you will click on the save button. And wait here. So what you will do, as you can see, Ahsaan ICT class 8E की form जो है, it's been saved. As you can see, this is page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. ठीक है, तीनों pages merge हो चुके हैं PDF फाइल के अंदर. ठीक है, then after that what you will do, you can save this Word file as well. So here my file is saved. So what I will do, the next thing is that I will open the Teams में assignment as a student. I am working as a student. ठीक है, example के ऊपर एक पेज मैंने एक लॉगिन किया. असाइनमेंट वाली टैब में आएंगे, and for instance internet safety techniques पे if you click internet safety techniques, here is an, suppose एक assignment है, so I want to upload my paper or my PDF file here. What I will do, I'll click on it and click on add work. ठीक है, as you can see, add work पे click करेंगे and we will upload file from our computer. So desktop पे you have saved our file in desktop. So here we go. Where is the PDF file? Here you can see Ahsaan ICT class 8E merged file, A की PDF form की file है. Open and let it be upload. Okay, so wait and watch. Done. When you will complete it, so you have successfully turn in. You will after that you will click on turn in. This is how you will upload the assignment or your final paper. Thank you.